everyone. So how's everyone doing? So today we are going to do reading for April born. First, wish you all a very happy birthday. Have a blessed year ahead, and may God bless you and fulfill all your wishes. Now, how the reading is going to be for the whole year. In case you're born on the 10th of April, then from 10th April 2022 to the 10th April 2023 is your reading. So I hope that is clear, and I hope you all are resonating with the readings and you all are enjoying the readings. As I have promised, I am trying to bring in as much as readings as possible. Okay, so let's start now. Let's see in general. Okay, now it looks beautiful. Relationship wise, it looks really nice. Enjoyment, happiness, and I also see an outing. Maybe if I also see some of you getting married. I also see marriage in the cards for some, with the blessings of the elders, and for some I see a beautiful outing, vacation. Work wise, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's down. You feel very left out, that why my work is like this. Financially it looks good, but I would like to go a little further more. So let's see. First, relationship wise, oh, it's going to be a beautiful year when it comes to relationship. There will be fights. See, every family, or where there's love there is fights, where there's love there is issues, but I see a lot of good things, a lot of give and take. Like, maybe your loved ones will surprise you with gifts. There's a lot of good things happening in the family. A lot of I see a lot of positivity, a lot of encouragement, a lot of happiness in the family. This is what I feel here, though sometimes you might feel left out and alone, but don't worry. Again, as I said, where there is love, there is all these things don't matter. So let's see how the work is also actually good. Money wise it's good, but too much of work and too much of you'll feel as if every time whatever you're doing, it's just they're just giving you work. Appreciation is not happening. But yes, those who are looking for appraisal, there are a lot of chances that the appraisal will go well, and you might not get more, but you will get definitely to some extent. Financially, plan your finances properly, because even though the financial flow is good, I see you people ending up spending on unnecessary expenditures, on unnecessary things. Maybe let's see what the divine guidance or the abundance, the angels of abundance is telling for this. Let's just have a look at it. Yes, so it says that if you are looking for a loan, then that loan is also possible for you to get. You will get partnership also in your funding, but as I said, don't become overconfident that yes, so much is coming, I can handle. Don't do that. And don't also at the same time take it for granted that I can arrange anything, I can arrange everything. So don't do these two things. I would definitely suggest to avoid these two things. I want to pull one more card. Yes, so there's a lot of God's infinite abundance and blessings for you, but you need to just understand that you need to be a little precautious and not overpower it. I want to tell you all one thing here. If possible, whenever you're free, not every day, whenever you're free, every day morning or in the evening, just sit by somewhere where you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes and call on Archangel Uriel. And when you call on Archangel Uriel, just imagine there's a golden light coming on you, and it is covering you in the golden light. That is one thing which would bring in a lot of difference to you. Also, one more thing what you can do is you can work with rhodochrosite. When you work with rhodochrosite, you will be able to bring in calmness inside you and work towards a better future and a better relationship also. Now let's see what is this is basically soul purpose, soul coaching, but I would say what is the soul purpose or this year's purpose for you all. Okay, this is a beautiful card. You're on the right path. So when I say you're on the right path, it means whatever decisions you take this time are going to happen. It's going to go really well. Just keep doing what you're doing, okay, and don't hesitate. I felt I should bring in one more. Again and again, one thing is coming, that you need to spend time in nature. So when I say spend time in nature, I would suggest that go to beach, go for a walk, and spend some time with the nature, spend some time with the universe. And also one thing you can do is, if you are a person who cannot go out, then you can sit by your balcony where you will not be disturbed, and you can just enjoy the view and just relax over there. That is one thing which you can actually do. Let us see what are the health cards telling, or what does the health card has in store for you? That is very, very important. All right. Accept a lot of healing energy. Okay, now this is a beautiful card. See here, it says triggers. A lot of things might trigger you, a lot of things might make you feel emotionally down. Don't allow anything to overpower your emotions, because sometimes we get triggered. If you ask me, if someone tells my pets anything, I get triggered, I start reacting. So don't react, because people love to see you getting, reacted, because of which health will again be a problem. So don't get reacted. One more thing I would like to say here is, on every Wednesdays, burn a lamp. Now in this lamp, use gingerly oil and use one clove. So you'll take a lamp, any color lamp is okay. You can even use your bronze lamp, your chandi, your silver lamp, whatever lamp you want, you can use. That is not an issue. But what you'll do is, in that lamp you'll pour oil, you'll put one clove, and you'll put a wick, and then you will burn it on Wednesdays throughout the year. Because in case there is any anger related issues which is troubling your health, then those issues will reduce and you will feel better. In that ways you can do that. I also want to tell you all one more thing here. I know I'm giving too much of tips or work for you all to do. Now those who all have my Florida spray, try spraying the Florida spray on you every day before you start for your work. Else what you can do is, in your bath water, add black tourmaline. Black tourmaline, maybe a small piece of black tourmaline, you add that in the water, let it soak in the water for say 5 minutes or 10 minutes, remove it from that, and then have a bath. That is one thing I want you all to do. And try picking up hibiscus tea. You get it, I think, in Amazon and all very easily. Start your day with hibiscus tea. It will not only make you prosperous, it will also start working towards your better finances, your better health, and your better relationship also. So hibiscus tea also is a good thing for you all to have every day morning, and it's actually easily available everywhere. So it's more like a black tea only, which is actually easily available, so you don't have to go around somewhere. Now this is again, I think last for March I had taken up these cards, and I actually like these cards, so I thought why not for you all also. I have used the same set of cards. That's a beautiful card which has come. It's a Devi which brings financial luck. Okay, I'm just showing it. I don't know, because I have kept a tripod and I'm not sure how far it's come. This card actually shows that there's a lot of prosperity coming in, there's a lot of betterment coming in. Your business wise is going to be a success, financially it's going to be a success. It also says burn a oil diya in your house during sunset. So you can do that if you want, but I would suggest do that the way it is mentioned here. I would suggest everyday morning 11 times. Just say, I am happy, I am healthy, I am blessed. Just 11 times every day morning. And somewhere when I am seeing this card, though here also is mentioned, get rid of the clutter from your surroundings and your mind. I feel your room, whoever is seeing this, your room has some energies of few things which have been lying there unused and unwanted for a long time. Give it away to someone who is in need. Maybe they will use it. If you don't know anyone in need, at least discard it off. Don't keep it with you, people. I want to also say one more thing here. I don't know, I'm just going by what I feel guided to. On a Friday, take a coconut and keep it in your hand, and just tell the coconut that whomever I am giving this coconut to, let them be blessed with all the abundance, and also abundance comes back to me in turn. And that coconut, you can even give it to your neighbor, your servant, anyone near your house. You can just give it, or you can even go to a temple and break this coconut and come, because there also people take it and they use it. That you can do. One final thing I would like to say. I'm sorry if I'm asking you all to do too much of the rituals, because I just, whatever is coming as I'm talking to you all, I'm just telling this. I feel some of you out there are Baba followers, so specifically I would not say Thursday, any other day other than Thursday, because I feel Thursday many people do in the name of Baba. So on any other day in the name of Baba, feed either a stray dog or someone who is in need, and tell this, that whatever I'm feeding you, all the glory goes to Shirdi Sai. Just say that and you feed it. I am sorry if I have taken a lot of your time, and I just hope it resonates and you all do this. Overall, I don't see any problem in your this year, but yes, I would suggest if you can take up these small precautions and do these small tips, life becomes very easier. I just feel like picking one more card. I'm sorry, I just feel so I'm picking. I just go by what I feel. Okay, now that's a beautiful lady who has come. She is, it looks like green Tara, but it is basically a lord with a, it's a deva, okay, with the snake on top, if you see here. Okay, I feel you need to just enjoy your life, live for the moment, and just keep watching what people do, because I sometimes I do that, you know, when I see people talking bullshit, when I see people talking up and down, I just look at them and I'm like, okay, let you talk, let me just watch you talking, because I always feel if I start reacting because you want me to react, then you win and I lose. So just watch like this person, and honestly keep watching and you'll be fine. Here it just says if you're suffering from insomnia, use lavender oil in the diffuser. Maybe if you have insomnia and that is why this card has come, then you should use it. And last but not the least, this is my fortune cookies, but I will not tell you here now. After seeing this video, like, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, share it with your friends if you feel guided to, because let me tell you one thing, when you share love, you get love. When you share help, you get help. Same way, if someone gets guided by you because of this message, believe me, the divine will automatically start guiding you towards your better future. Okay, so what will I do is, after you see this, you will like the channel, you will subscribe, or you've already liked the channel, you will have to leave a comment saying this is my birth date, only the date, I don't want the year, just say this is my birth date, leave the date, and leave a small message of how you felt the reading resonates with you, or what do you feel the reading was, and I shall reply with this one fortune cookie saying what is the fortune for you this year, or how your fortune is going to develop this year. So I hope you all enjoyed the reading. You all have a great blessed year ahead, and may God bless you with all the happiness, all the good things in life. May Baba always be there with you, protecting you, guiding you what is best in life, and may the divine always be there for you, and may you all shine successfully in your career and in your personal life. Thank you, and have a blessed year ahead. Thank you.